Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, I would like to discuss about our group assignment project, which is from our course Mathematics and Science. You guys must be wondering, right? What is our group project? So, let's take a look.
Hola, as we know that our project is parabolic bridge. So what do you know about parabolic bridge? Can you explain to us?
Okay, let me explain about a parabolic bridge. A parabolic is a curved shape formed by a quadratic equation. This looks like a U shape. In bridge, these shapes have distributed weight evenly across the structure.
Hola, can I ask something? Why use parabola in bridge? And also, can you give some example using parabola bridge in real life?
Okay then, why we use parabolas in bridge? Parabolic arches make bridge stronger and more stable. When a load or car passes over the bridge, the force spreads smoothly around the curve, reducing the stress on any single point. For the examples in real life that use parabola in bridge is like the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It uses parabolic arcs. They are not only strong but also beautiful to look at. So, in conclusion, parabolic shapes combine with both functions and beauty in bridge design.
Wah, thank you Farah.
So, you guys already understand what is hyperbolic in bridge? First of all, thank you for being patient and watch our video. So, before we end our video, let's move on to our bonus video. Okay, so hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today, I would like to discuss about our question here. So the question asks, a hyperbola has its center at the origin and transverse axis along the x-axis. The vertices are at 50, negative 50, and the foci at set 34, 0 and negative set 34, 0. Okay, so let's move on to our first question. The question asks is, what the equation of the hyperbola? So this is the equation for the hyperbola, which is x square minus with x square divided by a square minus with y square divided by b square equals to 1. So this is the equation for the hyperbola. So first of all, we need to find what is the a square and the b square. So we can get the a from the vertices, which is a is equals to 5 and a square is equals to 25. And now from foci we can get c. So c is equals to set 34, and so the c squared is equals to 34. So when we have a square and c square here, so we can find the b square. So we can find the b square from this standard equation, which is b square equals to c square minus a square. So we just substitute all the information that we had here. So we just substitute in and we get b square equals to 9. So when we have a square and b square, we just substitute into this equation and we get x square divided by 25 minus y square divided by 9 equals to 1. So this is our equation for hyperbola, so this is the answer. So now we move on to the second question, which is find the equation of the asymptote. So this is the equation for the asymptote, which is y equals to plus minus bx equals to divided by a. So we have the information about a square and b square, right? So we just move the power of 2. So we got a equals to 5 and b equals to 3, and then we just substitute into the equation and we get y equals to plus minus 3x divided by 5. So this is our equation for the asymptotes. Now we move on to the last question, which is the question asks, determine whether the point 7 tree lies inside outside on the hyperbola. So now we have our equation for the hyperbola, which is the equation is x squared divided by 25 minus y squared divided by 9. So we have our point here, which is 7 and 3. So 7 is for x, 3 is for y. We just substitute into the equation, and then we get this, which is 7 squared divided by 25 minus 3 squared divided by 9. So we get here is 24 divided by 25, or in decimal point is 0.69. So this is the answer for the points. So we get 0.96 for the point. So thus we know that our standard equation our normal equation for hyperbola is this. It must equals to 1. So let's take a look from the law in here. When p equals to 1, it's on the hyperbola. So when is p greater than 1, is outside for the hyperbola, and when p is less than 1, is inside of the hyperbola. So what is p? P is I just describe it as the points for this point. So p, now our answer is p is less than 1, because for the equation is must equals to 1. So our answer is for p is p equals to 0.96. So it's less than 1. So when less than 1 is inside on the hyperbola. So our answer is, we must make a conclusion, which is the point for 7.3 is inside the hyperbola. So that's all from me. So that's all from that's all for the presentation for our bonus question here. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.